Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about high yield savings accounts. If you guys use the traditional online high yield savings accounts such as Synchrony, Allied, or Discover, you guys are being lied to. Those banks are not the highest yield savings accounts. I'm going to burst your bubble and telling you not one, not two, but 3 high yield savings accounts that beat the national average, and they range anywhere from 5% to 6.17%. And the national average is right now, I believe, 0.50%. If you stick to the end of the video, I will show you guys how to make $361 without doing anything. The first bank is Blue Federal Credit Union, coming in at 5% APY, which means if you put in $1,000, you'll make $50 without doing anything. However, there are some restrictions to this bank. One being they limit the amount the 5% APY applies to, only the first $1,000, which is understandable because if someone has $100,000 they put in that bank, they'll be making an easy $5,000 every year, and the banks will be losing money. The second account would be NetSpend, coming in at a 5% APY. So NetSpend is actually pretty interesting. NetSpend is actually a prepaid debit card that acts like an online savings account. So what I mean by that is every time you deposit money into this prepaid debit card and you're not using it, it sits in an online savings account that accrues 5% APY. So there are restrictions to this account. One of them being that you do have to get their prepaid debit cards, but the thing is, we do not need to use them. We just want to utilize these prepaid debit cards so we can get that 5% interest rate. The second restriction is that you're only limited to invest $1,000 into each prepaid debit card. But don't worry, because they allow you to get 5 prepaid debit cards, which totals up to $5,000, which means in total with the 5% interest rate, you'll be making $250 a year. Digital Federal Credit Union comes in at the highest yield savings account coming in at 6.17%, but it does only apply to the first $1,000. Look, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, is it even worth it to put my money into these accounts with all these restrictions, putting only $1,000 in at a time? Yes, because if you do allocate $7,000 across these accounts, you will be technically making $361.70 every year without doing anything at all. And the best part is, there's no risk to it. You can pull out your money anytime, it's very liquid, and it is FDA insured, and like at the same fact, like you get stock market gains without the stock market risks. Thanks guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe and notification button to support the channel, and I'll be posting videos like these every week to make your financial life a little bit easier.